The shade, know the back end, I'm back on the road. Know the protect, paid off my show. Dripping this rough, more this be long. Hoes by the pair, I'm never alone. Sleep on the lair, come on, they go solve. Drop 8 in a 2 and let it dissolve. Bombing my dinner, young, gon' wanna ball. Rock the whole concert and hot in the frog.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Crazy AJ 15 Nations, and I'm back with another banger video today. You already know what it is. You know it's Friday. It's Friday, and we finna turn up one time, because it's 2019, and all new things are coming in 2019, and you might as well just go ahead and celebrate your 2019 the right way. And you can see I got the chain on, Kool-Aid chain. Like if you guys want to know how much I spent on this, that'll be in a later video of how much I spent on this. But yeah. So in today's video, I never really did this video before. Well, I did. Well, I thought about doing it, but I don't know, because I don't know. I just didn't really feel like it for real. But basically, into the videos, like I'm gonna be going on an app called Monkey, and I'm gonna just ask, I'm not gonna ask you random questions, or I don't know, depending on how I feel. I may ask them a question or something like that, or I may ask them to rate my fit from 1 to 10. I don't know, but anyway, we just gonna go on the app Monkey, and we just finna talk to some people and see how it, and see if they rock with me or stuff like that. And so yeah, so I'll let you guys know when I'm on Monkey. Peace. Chat, I don't know. I'm just gonna be on this bullshit. No niggas. No niggas. Fuck that nigga. The team will talk. I don't know clue what is going on though. On the novel, baby. I don't even know what it. I don't even know. Damn. Maybe I should have bet on this, because I forgot I am an ugly motherfucker. I am an ugly motherfucker right here. 20. I forgot I'm ugly. She's like, ooh. But I should got my boy DJ on here. Oh wow. She said, Hugh. Oh. I'm just making content videos. That's all I'm doing. Just making content videos. Okay. Probably the shortest video. I don't even know where we're going. See with it. I don't know what I'm doing for real. I'm just on here. Just doing bullshit. Just doing bullshit. I'm just doing bullshit. That's all I'm doing. See, ooh, now she got them bands on her. Dang. Dang, she got the. Oh, she's okay. I'll follow her back. Dang, she got the bands on her. I feel her. Hello? we just finna do some random man shit. That's all we finna do. She's winning, bro. Oh, bust on watch. No niggas. Shit, 18. This is look at that. Okay, this is what I'm finna do. If this video gets to 10 likes, I'm gonna shave my beard. 10 likes. If this video gets to 10 likes, I'm gonna shave my beard. No cap, I will shave it. 10 likes. So if I get 10 likes on this video, I'll shave my beard. I'm probably gonna keep it short because I'm not finna like. I'm gonna do one more. Do one last person. Be done. Do one last person. I don't want no nigga. I don't want no dudes. I'm gonna do one more person, then I'll be done. Just one more, then I'll be done. I'm just gonna do one more person to I just need one more person. Alright, Jasmine. Well, you'll be the last person. Okay, make sure it's still going. Alright, so I know you got. Okay, so basically this is going to conclude my monkey video. If you guys want more of this or something like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on post notifications to know when I'm going to be uploading new videos every day. Yeah, so until next time, everything is a vibe when you were crazy. Peace.
Red roses on my grave, bury me with art, and with some backwards in a